Well, hello everybody. I got a new project in mind. I figured I'd do a video from the very beginning to the finished stage so everybody can see what it takes to make something. This is a piece of Alberene soapstone, and it is about 4 7/8 long by about 3.5 wide, and it's about 2.5 or so tall. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to try something different. Since this is a nice square piece of material, it's a good starting point. I've made a lot of small things, necklaces and beads and pendants and stuff. I decided I was going to make something a little bit larger. And this is what I'm going to go for. It's a Norton Commando 1974-75 era gas can. That's what it looks like from the side. And I'm going to use this picture and a couple other pictures that I have, a top view and a bottom view. And when I'm done, it's going to be as close as I can make it to the tank. I'm not sure if I'm going to end up stickering the name on the side or if I'm going to try to carve that. A sticker would probably look better, and then hit it with some clear. I'll have to see if I can find a sticker. But this is the first video in the bunch, and I will keep adding to this as I go along and let everybody see how it comes out. Alright, I did some cutting, as you can see, and I've got a rough guesstimate of the tank shapes there and on that side and there. So I took a wedge off the top, I took a wedge off the side here, cutting it as close to my outline as possible. Now what I have to do is take all this off, take all that off, and start working it down. And then I'll have to get the right dimensions, because I think it only needs to go about like there to be the right size. But I'm not sure. I'm going to have to look on a picture I have that has the dimensions, and I'll have to get the dimensions to the right size. But that's what it looks like now, and I will keep working. Well, that's one of my kitty cats. Max, come here. And that's the other one. Max, look at me. But I've done some carving some more, and got him here, and I'll take it over here so I'm out of the sun so I can see. As you can see, I've cut it down a good bit. From my drawings and my scales, it looks like it's going to end up being 0.18 scale, which means it's a little bit over 4 inches wide and a little bit over 2 1/16 inch, well, 4 inches long, 2 1/16 inch wide. But that's what I'm going to start with, and from that on it's all file work and sandpaper. And then once I get it into the shape, the frame groove I'll have to carve in there, and that'll run all the way back, and I believe it goes and pops out right around here on this tank, and it actually pops in like right in there on this tank, so it goes in there. So there's going to be a groove in the middle. I don't know about all the mounting holes. I think I might just leave that out, but I'll do the groove, I'll do it all curved the way it needs to be. But that's the beginning of the gas can. It took me, I had to go get some new blades, because this stuff right here is either quartz or something, but this stuff right here is extremely dense. And trying to cut through that, I dulled at least one hacksaw blade, possibly two. So that's going to be fun, but hopefully I'll be able to get through that with the file pretty easy. But there you go. I'll keep working, and I'll let you know when I get a little bit further.